Everybody, I'm Gokul from Restoration Brokers of America. So one of the questions that I get asked a lot and I discuss with a lot of our clients is, hey Gokul, how do I know that my business is ready for sale? It's a complicated answer, okay? There's a lot of things that goes on, but let me see if I can condense it into 4 different points. One is you want to make sure that you are ready for sale, right? You're ready for the next chapter of your life. And how do you know that? Here's what I wrote down. If you don't enjoy it anymore, okay, it's probably time for you to get out of your business, right? 2 is if you feel in your gut that you are the roadblock of growth in your business, you don't want to grow your business more, but your employees, your managers, your leadership team want to grow it, you want to get out. And those are the 2 common personal reasons why you want to get out of the business. That's what we see across the country when we're talking to a lot of clients. So how do you know the business is ready? So if you go to our website, we actually have a diagnostic tools. It's a little bit more detailed to let you know how ready your business is for sale. But let me tell you the top 2 reasons, okay? If you're working and the business is steady or improving, it's probably time to get out. And it's the most counterintuitive time to leave your business, in the sense when you're having fun, when everything is clicking, that's really the time to get out of your business. That's when the business is worth the most. And here's what else I wrote down. When you're working less than 40 hours a week in your business, you know there's a lot of things has to work right for you to work less than 40 hours in your business. So if you're doing those 2 things, that means your business is primed for the maximum valuation in the marketplace. If you want to know whether your business is ready for sale or not, I'm sure you got a lot of questions and I would love to answer them for you.